Get ready? Start. 39. Coming back to the legal position of a distributor, it is to be generally regarded as different from that of an agent. Stop. The distributor buys goods on his account and sells them in his territory. Stop. The profit made is the margin of difference between the purchase price and the sale price. Stop. The reason is that the distributor in such cases is an independent contractor. Stop. Unlike an agent, he does not act as a communicator or creator of a relationship between the principal and a third party. Stop. The distributor has rights of distribution and is akin to a franchisee. Stop. Franchise agreements are normally considered as sui generis, though they have been in existence for some time. Stop. Franchise agreements provide a mechanism whereby goods and services may be distributed. Stop. In franchise agreements, the supplier or the manufacturer, i.e., a franchisor appoints an independent enterprise as a franchisee through whom the franchisor supplies certain goods or services. Stop. There is a close relationship between a franchisor and a franchisee because a franchisee's operations are closely regulated, and this possibly is a distinction between a franchise agreement and a distributorship agreement. Stop. Franchise agreements are extremely detailed and complex. Stop. They may relate to distribution franchises, comma, service franchises, and production franchises. Stop. Notwithstanding the strict restrictions placed on the franchisees, comma, which may require the franchisee to sell only the franchised goods, comma, operate in a specific location, comma, maintain premises which are required to comply with certain requirements, and even sell according to specified prices, comma. The relationship may in a given case be that of an independent contractor. Stop. An independent contractor is free from control on the part of his employer and is only subject to the terms of his contract. Stop. But an agent is not completely free from control, and the relationship to the extent of tasks entrusted by the principal to the agent are fiduciary. Stop. As contract with an independent agent depends upon the terms of the contract, comma, sometimes an independent contractor looks like an agent from the point of view of the control exercisable over him, but on an overview of the entire relationship, the tests specified in clauses A to D in paragraph 8 may not be satisfied. Stop. The distinction is that independent contractors work for themselves even when they are employed for the purpose of creating contractual relations with the third persons. Stop. An independent contractor is not required to render accounts of the business as it belongs to him and not his employer. Stop para change. 40. In view of the aforesaid discussion, comma, we hold that the assessees would not be under a legal obligation to deduct tax at source on the income oblique profit component in the payments received by the distributors oblique franchisees from the third parties oblique customers, or while selling oblique transferring the prepaid coupons or starter kits to the distributors. Stop. Section 194H of the Act is not applicable to the facts and circumstances of this case. Stop. Accordingly, the appeals filed by the SSE cellular mobile service providers challenging the judgments of the High Courts of Delhi and Calcutta are allowed and these judgments are set aside. Stop. The appeals filed by the revenue challenging the judgments of the High Courts of Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Bombay are dismissed. Stop. Thank you.